to sit here because. Yeah. No. Not overdo it. I'll have the money instead.
It's so overcast today with it's...
Yeah, it's a bit of really, you know, being a little bit yeah.
Otherwise, you know, yeah.
What happens beyond where we stop?
We go up to the Atomic Power Station where the sidings are. And there's a stop block there.
Just a stop block?
Yeah, with an overhead crane, gantry crane, for the atomic blasts. Then they just come a short journey across the road and into our sidings when the blasts are down there to Sellafield.
And what happened to our freight trains? Have we got to propel back down there?
No, there's no freight up here. There's a leak of waste here. Down on the panel.
Yeah.
Then they're getting a lot of gunpowder now from the ICI, which they load up now at Line at the old liner station. But
Did they actually load it there for going away?
For going away, yeah.
Make
it's a factory,
here?
Yeah. It's a factory up in the wilds here. And then they haul it down from there to wherever it's rolled. Yeah. They're proposing to put sidings at that last station then, because this must be so many 100 yards away from any property, you know, or built up area. Sometimes they've got four of them bands at a time full.
Quite a lot now. Quite a lot. Are you out with us tomorrow?
Yeah. Picking you up at Bangor tomorrow.
Or you come to Bangor?
Yeah.
Electric heating on it. Yeah, no electric heating makes trouble.
Yeah.
I bet a trip over here with an old steam would have been quite thrilling. A little barbecue. There's the remains of an old signal, isn't there?
Yeah.
What department are you in then?
Area manager's office, Liverpool.
Where?
Area manager's office in Liverpool.
Liverpool, right?
I work in the travel centre, the booking office.
Do you?
The area manager's office, the training inquiry bureau. I'm on relief.
You do relief, do you? Nice little job that. I used to enjoy being in the booking office.
Oh, what booking offices were you in?
I was at a place called Cheadle Hume, that's where
Oh,
I
just
started.
outside Manchester.
Yeah.
Mm.
And I did national service, then I went to station master at Trees. Thank you.
Want to go on the suit?
No thanks.
Alright.
Yeah, fine.
Sure.
Fine, thanks. Yeah.
Now, you let me know if you see any sheep while I'm in the street.
Yeah, yeah. I'll shout. Sheep.